Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Letroz Tablet, coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Sun Pharmaceutical Industries, Ltd. Letroz Tablet. Uses. Letroz Tablet is used in the treatment of breast cancer. It is particularly used for hormone-sensitive breast cancer, especially in postmenopausal women. Benefits. Letroz Tablet helps in the treatment of hormone-sensitive breast cancer. It lowers the risk of cancer returning and supports long-term recovery after initial treatment. This makes it an important part of ongoing breast cancer management in eligible patients. Side effects. Like all medicines, Letroz Tablet may cause side effects in some individuals. A commonly reported side effect is hot flashes. If this side effect persists or becomes troublesome, medical advice should be sought. How to use. Take Letroz Tablet exactly in the dose and duration advised by your doctor. Swallow the tablet whole. Do not chew, crush, or break it. It may be taken with or without food. How it works. Letroz Tablet is an aromatase inhibitor. It works by decreasing the amount of estrogen, a natural female hormone, produced in the body. Lower estrogen levels can slow down or stop the growth of certain breast cancers that require estrogen to grow.